Welcome, independent artists, musical storytellers, and innovative beat makers. I'm Sanjay C, and in this episode of Music Gear News, I'm going to cover the brand new effects pedals by Universal Audio, a new way to own all the Reason synths, effects, and everything, and the latest update to Roly's Lumi keyboard. And I've got a brand new first look at the Audient iD4. Let's get to the news. First up, I reported last week about a secret announcement that Universal Audio was planning. Well, it's here. They're now in the guitar effects pedal game. They're releasing 3 new pedals: the Golden Reverberator, the Starlight Echo Station, and the Astra Modulation Machine. And they're really pushing the analogness of these pedals. The Golden Reverberator specializes in spring reverbs from the 1950s and 60s. The Echo Station features tape-style delays. Last, the Astra Modulation Machine has chorus, flanger, doubler, and tremolo effects. You can pre-order them for $3.99 each right now. That's not a budget price, but these are high-quality pedals. Hopefully I can get some of them and try them out. The next story is from Reason. Reason is now offering a subscription model. By subscribing, you get access to all the synths, samplers, and effects that Reason makes, and whatever else they release in the future as well. It's $20 a month, and you also get sound packs every week. Yeah, every week, not every month. They don't say how many samples you get every week. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of subscription-based models for plugins for now. I prefer rent to own, pay a little each month until you own it outright. But what do you think? Do you use plugin subscriptions, or do you prefer just buying them? Comment below. By the way, you can still buy Reason instead of using the subscription model. The full version is $400. That's a little over a year and a half of paying for the subscription. All right, next. Remember when I reported about a firmware update coming to Lumi keyboards? Well, it's here. With this firmware update, the Lumi keyboard now includes per-key pitch bend and polyphonic aftertouch. So what used to only be possible on the C-board is now possible on the Lumi. You get glide, press, lift, and strike. That's 4 dimensions of touch. Trust me, vibrato is awesome on guitar and stringed instruments like violins. You gotta try it on a C-board or a Lumi. Okay, so what's new in my studio? Well, I'm starting to slowly get situated and looking at some acoustic treatment for this larger room. Look out for a video about it coming soon. I'm also releasing a video tomorrow, back on schedule, so don't miss out on that either. I'll be taking a look at the new ultra cheap M audio interfaces. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's get to some deals. First up, if you're looking for some Heaviosity instruments, you can get an excellent discount on the Native Instruments site for the next few days. Everything from bass to guitars to strings is up to 50% off. These are really amazing for scoring. And I actually think the better deal is the Scoring Collection, which gives you 5 instrument libraries for $249, which is a great deal for the quality you get from Heaviosity. You can get the deal using the link below. Next up, UJam has released a new virtual drum instrument called Deep. It features drum patterns for soul and funk style music, and it's just $69 on sale right now. I really like UJam stuff, so you should check it out. Oh, and if you purchase anything from Plugin Boutique right now, you'll get Carbon Electra, a synth plugin, free. That's only available until tomorrow.
Every single one of us has to start somewhere, and we all start from zero, especially when it comes to social media. Whether it's 0 likes, 0 followers, but all that put aside, put your stuff out there, just like our artist. This week's beat is by Drop Music. Drop Music is originally from Venezuela, but lives in Michigan, USA now. His favorite gear is the M32 keyboard and his Mitchell guitar. His favorite plugin is Little Altar Boy by Soundtoys. Follow Drop Music on Instagram, and if you'd like your music featured on Sanjay C News, post on Instagram, tag Sanjay C, follow Sanjay C, hashtag Sanjay C News, and keep that music coming.
All right, guess what?
What?
Today we've got another audio interface.
Ooh, I'm in your face. I feel like anything that comes out in a black box makes me feel like it's something good and sexy.
Good job with the sexiness, Audient. This is the ID4, by the way. One Audient console mic preamp, class-leading ADDA converters, one discrete JFET instrument input, dual headphone outputs. Really? Yes, you got dual headphone outputs. USB 3 bus powered, 2496 kilohertz.
It actually feels really heavy duty. It's a nice feeling.
This is really cool. Check that out. Isn't that cool? It looks really nice. It's missing something.
It's missing.
There is no USB cable in the box.
Are you sure?
You're supposed to get your own USB-C cable? All right, we just connected it and inputted the mic. We're using the same mic that we were using for the rest of this whole video, which was overhead before, but now it's right in front of us. Okay, I've got the gain set to almost 3 o'clock, maybe 2:30. Say the ABCs.
W, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna break it. The knobs feel really good because you can
sturdy and tight.
You can clickety click, clack.
Oh yeah. So turn the volume knob. That's kind of cool. I like that. What's this ID button for?
Well, it asks you for ID, so press it again.
Oh, press it.
May I ask who is using this device?
Oh, it's Sanjay C.
Sanjay C, you are authorized.
Thank you. All right, so we just listened to the audio recording. It sounds really good, pretty warm. There is a lot of reverb in this room though.
It's warm because I'm sitting next to him.
That's for sure. This room is empty, so there's a lot of echo happening.
Yeah.
So that's what you're probably hearing in the recording as well. But it does sound good. You're gonna hear some really good recordings with this and compared to other audio interfaces in a video soon. Stay tuned.
Ooh, I'm excited.
All right, what about freebies? Well, there are 2 freebies for you today. First, if you own any Focusrite gear, make sure you grab the free DAW Cassette from your Plugin Collective account. Just log in and get it. Next, do you want a delay and distortion plugin in one? Well, you can download the TalDub 2 plugin that lets you do just that. Try this on vocal delays. You'll get some really cool results. All right, that's it for the news. Keep making the music you love and don't miss out on my video releasing tomorrow. See you later.